Dobrodošli na kanal George Smith.
Brian, this show is simple. Right, I have 100 questions I have to try and get through in 60 minutes. I do worry in this interview you might think I'm a bit stupid, but I really don't know much about science.
There are no stupid questions, as you'll see. There really aren't.
Test you on that.
Because I was just saying before we started, actually, most of the answers, I could answer them all in 100 in 1 hour, because the answer to all of them fundamentally is we don't know.
Is the universe infinite?
Don't know. We genuinely don't know. No, we really don't know. So we know the universe expands beyond that point, but we don't know how far it expands. All we can see, all we can tell is that the universe seems flat. And all we can say is the bit we can see is flat. So it could be infinite. We don't know.
How old is the universe?
13.8 billion years. We do know that. Well,
okay.
But the proper answer is probably, it should be, we don't know.
But can you explain to me the Big Bang theory in the simplest terms?
And the answer is we don't know. But his theory suggests it. But Einstein's theory is not complete. So we don't actually know what time is, right? So because we don't know what time is, and so therefore we don't really know what space and time are, space-time together, we suspect there's something deeper, by the way, from which they emerge. But so because of that, our theories don't work when you go to these really high energies, really high temperatures, very close to the origin of the universe. If indeed it is an origin, then we stop knowing. So basically, we know everything was very hot, very dense, very different. We have a very good measurement to that. Whether that was a beginning to everything, we don't know.
So I'm just gonna. Could time travel happen? Is that possible?
So we don't know. We don't think you can, but it's not been proved beyond all doubt that you can't.
Wow. Do you think aliens exist, or are we alone in the universe?
It's kind of controversial. We're not sure.
Yeah. Wow. Do you have mates that like ring you up and go, Brian, you won't believe what I've just found out today?
Well, no, because they haven't found anything.
Oh.
But Mars, once you're gone, you're gone. So once you fly off, all that you can do is go around Mars and come back again. And it's months and months and months and months and months. So we don't really know how to do that. It's possible that we're the only civilization currently present in the Milky Way galaxy. Yeah. Don't know, but it's possible.
Have you ever met a flat earther in real life? And how was that?
Not one that admitted it.
Oh, okay, yeah.
But Sagan said the point is that what you see there is someone who's curious about the world and is really interested in things, and mysteries are fascinating to this person. They just need point in the right direction. So the point is that it's a failure of us. It's a failure of education and society, and it's just a failure of our civilization to satisfy people's curiosity. So that's where what you said, nonsense, comes from. It comes, but the point is that people are curious. And that's it. So that's the nice way. But I think it's right. I think that is the right way to think about it.
How do you maintain that optimism? You know,
because there's a lot more that I don't know than I do.
What would you say is the most beautiful scientific fact that you know?
That anything exists at all, I would say. It's a really good question, isn't it?
What do you mean?
Why is there anything?
I don't know.
I think
do you know?
No, that astonishes me more than anything else is that the universe is here.
Yeah.
I don't know why it's here.
What event in all of history would you most want to have witnessed?
The reason I'm hesitating, I know what the answer is. I was going to say the origin of life on Earth, but maybe it's probably not an event. It's like it didn't just go. And the answer is we don't know.
Oh man, it leaves me a lot to go and think about lying in bed. It's so exciting.